What's up, guys? Here in another little tool video. Making a tool. Maybe. This is a vacuum cleaner motor. Came out of the old side of the road vacuum cleaner there. You gotta love the side of the road stuff. Doesn't get any cheaper than free. So this is the motor that comes in a vacuum. And this is what it looks like when that vacuum has spent a lot of time outside. This actually works, kind of. So now we're going to see if we can take it apart and make it run instead of doing that. Got a little bit of the commutator noise, commutation noise, I think that might be called. When I got the screws loosened up here, and it's not quite pulling apart yet. I think I have to take apart the little impeller type device there. Ew. I'm cleaning the rust off of the shaft. You know what, guys? That bolt's reverse thread. Woohoo! If you make the drill go the right direction, it'll come off. All right. Let's see, impeller housing. I'm sure I can get that apart further too. This is another one of those standard 608 get it out of your old skateboard to replace it bearings. I really like those. And now, other things. Let's see. See if we can get our brushes out of the housing. Does not look like it. Alright. So to get the brushes out, see my little brush holder right over here, little tabby, take your little tabbies out of the way like I've done over here on this side. If you can see it, I got those pried out of the way, and now I'm pushing this cap off. This is also one of those things that was a throwaway world, designed to be put together and thrown away, not ever be taken apart. So I'm sure y'all know how I feel about that by now. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Maybe the brush will pull out. Sure would like it to. Sorry, I'm probably way too close to you guys. Ooh. She's sticky. There it is. Wow, look at all that brush. Jeez. Yeah, I think we can use that one again. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side and we'll pop that cap off. Phew. A little rusty on this side. Right. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, little brushy. Get back out of where you belong. You belong there, but I want to remove you from there. The whole housing's coming out on this side. One way or another, right? Make do with that. Are y'all seeing it? You getting the shot? Look at that gnarly, rusty surface. This one doesn't matter quite so bad. It'd be better if it was clean. That's the surface that matters. So we'll try cleaning our brushes, cleaning our contact surface there, and seeing if it chooches better. This is what it's looking like after just a minute of the sandpaper action. Ooh, if I quit shaking you guys around so bad. Quite a bit cleaner there really quickly. Alright guys, just about ready to wrap this video up for now. Not quite got anywhere, but I am just playing with trash too, so if it doesn't work, it's all good. You can tell by the plastic thing that holds the brush housings, this is a very, very cheap motor. But you see in there I got the brush housings put back together, the little tabs folded back over. The brushes are cleaned up and making contact on the wheel, as far as I know. Yep, well I got it all back together, and the brush surfaces are clean, but I have a loss in connection somewhere, maybe with this little switch. See, this is all straight pieces from the vacuum. And somewhere here I've lost power flow because we're plugged in and there doesn't seem to be any noise going on. And all the places where the power transfers from the wire to the wheel are nice and clean, so I'm thinking I'll come back in another video and we'll wire it straight up to some power and see if anything happens. If it does, we know it's a little switchy guy.